Welcome back to Unknown. Today I have a very long song for you, and this song is very good sounding. It's much better than all of my other ones, I suppose, because they're very short. It's gonna take a long time to learn, and if you're a beginner, I be maybe really hard to learn from me directly like this. I will not have sheet music, so it's gonna be difficult. So let's get right into it. For left hand, we have a bunch of chords. Let me just check those. G minor, E flat, C minor, F minor. So G minor, E flat, C minor, F minor. Those are the chords. So you can see it in this part. Just playing those. So right hand is very easy. It's just, so you come here, you go, let's do this and come back. So it's 6 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually 6 notes including this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from here 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every time there's 6 notes. So in the starting, let's just go from the starting right now. First one note, then I play this. Then I play both these at the same time. Then same thing here. Then I hope you can see his notes. So you just circle back like this and then this. Then go down, down again, down again. Then these will same time, same time. You won't play it twice. Then you play with this. So play chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The B's go together. The B flat go together. So every alternate note these goes. The same thing, you do that twice. Now the next part of that is just, so instead of playing, you group these two and you play it twice. Same right hand, but you just add a little more effect of bounciness and strangeness, I suppose. It totally sounds different then. That's what you can do. After that comes this part. So you play it twice. This part you just, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you go like this V pattern random thing. So over here it's, then you over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you always sign on this note. This note and G, then this note and D, then this note and G. Same for here. This note, this. But think of these as alternates. 1, 2, then this, then 1, 2 again. That was the hardest part of the song. So if you got through that, it's the second hardest part of the song. If you got through that, you can definitely do this. Next goes, so it comes from here. You play it twice. When you play this whole twice thing, this is 1, you can call this 1. And then you play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You play it the same way with like this. The in the same fingering, same everything, and you just switch here to F minor. Then you switch back again. Then you switch to this one, C minor. Then you switch only your right hand to G. That's really pretty straightforward. This. Then you come here, switch here. This part is my favorite part. The shift sounds very good. Now this is the hardest part of the song. I'm gonna come here. You play it once, then you play with everything else. So the same pattern, which is different than the other one. In this you playing, so in the original, let's just look at the two different parts. So over here, you're having this. So you, over here you end with this one and you start with this one. So you can see that there's this note played again, but that's not happening. In this one, you play this twice. See? Twice. Then so you play this twice. It's pretty hard. It's pretty easy actually. Then you play it twice. After twice, you resume to this one. You resume this with the double note too. Now, after playing this once, you do 4 chords. So that twice. Then you do the same thing in the starting, but in PP. Then instead of swinging to this, G sharp and F, play the same thing. End with this D, the higher D. Knowing you use pedal, just play it legato instead of staccato, like tenuto or whatever. Just slow it down and end with this. And that's it for this video. Let me just play it again.